Alright guys, Deforn here, and I'm back. I'm going to do another chainsaw cutting video. It's been a while since I've done some chainsaw stuff. I've had other stuff doing. I got my stihl and I got my Michalek. I'm just going to do a dual video. My 170 and my Michalek 1010 lightweight chainsaw. You guys have seen it. This is my stihl with the 3/825 pitch chain, 325 and 16-inch bar. 46 gauge bar. Oh, look, a little toad. See a lot of those suckers this year. Alright, we're going to start it up. We're going to do a little fast test cutting. There was my stihl. You get these little pieces out the way. Now I'm going to do my Michalek, and this is going to be some pretty fast cutting. It's going to be awesome. Alright, there is my Michalek 1010. I hope you guys like this video. I know I haven't done chainsaw videos in a while, but alright guys, hope you guys liked it. More videos will come soon. So alright guys, Deforn, sign out. Peace. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe for more videos. Peace.